Do you want to create checkbox like this to track your progress? Let me show you in Google Sheet. Okay, first of all, let me delete all this. Okay, so here we want to create a checkbox right here. So just select it and then go to insert. Okay, insert, choose checkbox, and boom, you got it. Okay, so how we count it? So first of all, let me understand this. When we not check, the answer is false. But when we check, the answer is true. Okay, so we can do it by simply just type our formula right here. Yeah, okay, let me make it bigger. Let's type equal count if. Okay, count if. So the rank, our rank from here, data right here, comma, the volume color condition. So we count only true. Okay, we count only true. Let's see, one, take two. Are we here? No. Okay, but somehow we want to have something like below 7 advertise is 7 right here. So we just concatenate with the by 7 right here. So you got something like that. It's 5 of 7. Okay. Just drag right here. I will take it. Okay. It will very smart. Okay. The formula is something like this. Okay. Hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know and see you next time.